medical devices which PV covers, which is like diagnostic devices such as the imaging machines, blood glucose monitors, pregnancy test, therapeutic devices such as the pacemaker, insulin pump, prosthetic limbs, life support devices, ventilators, dialysis machine, heart-lung machine, surgical instruments, implants, joint replacement, dental implants. So pharmacovigilance covers all of it, and medical devices must meet certain safety and effectiveness standards before they can be marketed and sold. So like medicines, even clinical trial, and we cannot do the preclinical trial obviously, but the clinical trial is done on medical devices also before it hits the market, and that is where we get the clinical trial safety reporting for the medical devices, and then the post-marketed safety reporting for the medical devices. And in the United States, the FDA regulates medical devices and determines the appropriate classification and level of regulation for each and every device individually. And then PV also covers the biologics. Now, the biologics are anything engineered from the living matter. So biologics are medical products made from living organisms, such as cells or tissues that are used to diagnose, treat, or prevent the disease. There are several types of biologics, like monoclonal antibodies, vaccines, blood products, cell therapies, the gene therapies. Biologics are regulated by health authorities like FDA and FDA, EMA for European Medicines Agency, and their approval process is often more complex than that of a traditional pharmaceuticals. Biologics are generally more expensive than the traditional pharmaceutical drugs due to their complex manufacturing process and the higher cost of research and development. That is why they are even, the trials are done in even more regulated environment, and even the safety reporting is done even more stringently for them. And PV also covers the herbal products like any kind of dietary supplement, any vitamins or multivitamin you take from outside, the plant or plant extracts used as a medicinal, used for the medicinal purposes. The herbal product may come from various forms. It can come from form like capsules, tablets, powder, extracts, and you must have heard about like echinacea, St. John's wort, or milk thistle, ginseng. So these are some of the herbal products which can be covered in PV. So this is basically the scope of pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance covers medicines, vaccines, blood products, medical devices, biologics, and herbals. Now the most important topic for today's module is adverse event and the adverse drug reaction, and the difference between adverse event and the adverse drug reaction. So I will explain adverse events first. Adverse events as per the WHO guidelines, WHO definition, an adverse event as any untoward medical